Hi guys, it's me Elise back with another video, and in this video I'll be showing you how to disable your incognito mode in Google Chrome in iPhone. And if you're struggling to get out of the incognito mode, then this is the video for you. So without delay, let's get started. You need to open your Google Chrome app on your phone, as I've done here, but you're on the incognito tab. So click on the small plus button on the bottom of your screen. There you can click on the edit button in your left, which displays two options for you. As you can see, I've clicked the edit button, and this opens up a pop-up option for you. Since I only have one tab open, it does not make any difference if I close it by hand or select all tab and close it. I'll click on the close all tabs to make it easier for you guys. So after I click the close all tabs, you can see all the incognito tabs are gone. So you click on the one sign in the middle of the screen, which will lead you to your normal Google pages with active history. And you can see that there is your profile and your Gmail logged in already. You need to open. So I hope this video helps. And if there are any questions, then leave it on the comment box or any suggestions. And if you liked it, please leave a nice review, and please share and subscribe as well. See you in the next one. It's me, Elise, signing off for today.